Scorpios, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Please like, share, subscribe, give the thumbs up to my channel, to my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all, my viewers, my subscribers. Even if you didn't subscribe, I really appreciate you. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what is coming up for you. Okay, what is coming up for you in the month of March? What is your energy? What is going to happen for Scorpio people? Scorpio, for some of you, you might have one child or one daughter. You have feel like that, definitely. Some of you, I am feeling you are watching from Africa, or your roots are in Africa, South Africa, some sort of those lines, or Native American. I am feeling Native American. You are watching, those who's watching something like that, I am feeling. Okay, let's see. Scorpio, you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for some of you, and most of you Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you are dealing with strong Aquarius, Libra, Gemini feeling, vibe I am feeling, energy I am feeling, and you are waiting for that person to communicate, and that person also wants to communicate to you, rush towards you. They will communicate to you in month of March, and they will also meet you. For some of you, probably depends on the situation, where do you live, but there are chances they will come to meet you. And for some of you, if this is a long distance relationship, they will give you communication on phone, social media, video call, something like that, and for some of you, even if you are in long distance relationship, there are chances they can come and meet you. They travel towards you, because I can see the traveling in Knight of Swords and the Chariot. You are also confused about your person, I feel like that, even though he is your wish or she is your wish, but you are confused, I feel like that. And you want to give your love offer to somebody else, but your person wants to come to you, talk to you, fight with you, make up with you, and you are in your this energy, King of Swords energy. come, I'll chop your head. Something like that. So yeah, you don't want to listen to anything now, and you don't want to fall down for any tricks for that from that person. If you don't want to fall down for any tricks from this trickster, you feel like that you are, that is why you are confused, because you feel a lot of things are hidden from you. And I can also see that you are not seeing some things, like a blindfolded. There is a blindfold on your eyes. You don't see some things. There are few things which is hidden, which will come out in the March month, via the social media communication which your person gives, or via meeting with your person. And there will be a positive, hopeful news, hopeful positive things will come out. Okay, and for some of you, if you are juggling in the money situation, you are trying to balance the situation very well, but you feel like you should go with the new person, and you should not wait for this person. But in your heart, in your soul, somewhere you are still waiting for this person, for some of you. And for some of you, you are moving towards new person. I am feeling like that, definitely. Some very mixed energy. You are also confused, because that is why I am getting mixed energy. Sometimes you feel you want to wait for this person, and you are waiting also. And sometimes you feel like you want to go towards new person, and you go also. Maybe you might meet new people, you have met new person, and then your heart and soul still waiting for the person. You are not able to move on. So something like that. And you are waiting for your person, like whenever he'll come towards you, talk to you, rush towards you, you'll chop their head. I mean to say, you'll cut them off. You don't want to talk to them. Something like that I am feeling. So yeah, and strongly Aquarius, Libra, Gemini sign I am feeling, and Native American, Africa vibes I am getting. Definitely. Let's see what else coming in month of March. What else? Let's see. Okay. Judgment. Ooh, my God. 9 of Cups. Some of you are single, alone, not dating anyone, or completely single. Nobody else there. You are focusing on yourself, self-love, and you want justice, and you will get justice from angels. You will, because the Judgment card we have received. If your person has deceived you in some sort of way or lied to you, you didn't like it, and you will you have just walked away from them. You have cut the communication, cut the cords, or cut them off out of your life, something like that, and you need justice now, and you will get justice from angels. Angels are writing the, what we can say, that account books. What it calls? Angels are writing the debit and credit of your relationship with your person, and who has given what and who has taken what. So the debit and credit is going on right now, and in March month you will see some sort of justice from angel. You have asked for justice. Temperance card, bottom of the deck. Definitely a Sagittarius sign I am strongly feeling. You are dealing with, top of the deck, Page of Wands. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, I am seeing your person is quite thinking about your relationship, and wants to balance situation out. Maybe he or she praying to God angels, or you are praying to God angels, that you want to balance this situation out for some of you, or you want justice and judgment from your angels. Let's see the advice for you. Okay, basically you want peace and harmony and balance in your life. Balance in your life, in your relationship. I am feeling like that. Slowing down card came in reverse. I don't generally take reversal, but okay, laziness, sorrow. So for some of you, your person is quite upset, and you are also upset, and now you feel like you don't want to take any action towards them. And for some of you, they are upset and they are feeling like lazy to contact you. Definitely. And here, slowing down, we have received in reverse. So something has happened very suddenly, abruptly. It's not slow energy, and something is going to happen very fast, like with this Knight of Swords and Page of Wands and Two of Wands card. I am feeling something is going to happen very fast. Your person will come to talk to you very fast, and within few weeks, within I guess 1 or 2 weeks, you will hear from them in the month of March. Whenever you watch this video, from that time onwards, within 2 weeks you will hear from them. Some sort of communication they will give, and most of you, they will come to meet you as well. Even if you are in long distance relationship, or long distance, or if your relationship was broken, they will come and talk to you guys and meet you. But communication is coming, and they want to patch up with you, make up with you, fight in the terms of they want to patch up with you. Definitely most of you are ladies are watching, and ladies above 30 are watching, definitely. Or ladies who's going to turn 30, or around about 30 your age is, those are watching. And you are probably belong to Africa, or you probably belong to Native America, something like that I am feeling. Or this can be your person's energy as well. For some of you, you might want to go to some beach, and you want to get chilled out, and have some fresh juice or lemonade or whatever. You want to just chilled out and drink some fresh fruit juice, and you just want to lay down and just want to go to the beach and something like that in the month of March. I am feeling like that for some of you. You don't want to do anything for this person, and you are just like, I will not do, I have done everything. The Lovers, wow. Nothingness, Thunderbolt, okay. The Burden, okay. Abundance, conditioning, okay. So this is your past life connection. Definitely you have some sort of past life connection, and with this person, and you are still waiting. You have not got anything from this relationship. That is what you are feeling, and you are asking for justice, and you will get justice from angel, God, universe, whomever you believe in. And I also feel that, you have tried everything, now you don't want to do anything. That is why, because this person has not given you anything. That is what you feel. And for some of you you speak very fast, or your person speak very fast, or you take, or your person takes decision very very fast. I feel like that. And for some of you, you just cut them off. you just cut them off every time they try to talk to you. I feel like that. This can be your or your person's energy. Okay, let's see the charms. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, some of you are facing money issue, money juggle, money trouble. Definitely trying to balance your money situation, guys. But don't worry, there we have received the abundance charm, luck, success, money charm we have received, so you might receive some money. Don't worry, I feel like you have faced some sort of expense or loss in the month, in recent times, or currently you're facing, but it will be resolved in the month of March. Okay, VMLC are the initials. This can be someone's name, middle name, surname, company name, place name. Okay, take what resonates with you. You feel like your wish will never be fulfilled. You are just waiting and waiting. You are just thinking about the old person like an old cassette. Okay, you feel like that. And yeah, you might want to visit some old places, or you are visiting some old places, or you or your person where you used to meet, or your person is visiting where you guys used to meet. If someone has interfered in your relationship, which you think, I don't think someone has interfered, but which you think that someone has interfered, and if it is so, then it will you will get some clarity. Some hidden things will come out, and those hidden things are very positive. It means if you are feeling that your person has kept you in third party, or if you are feeling someone has interfered in your connection, then that thing will be cleared out. Okay, wiped out, that nobody has interfered in your connection, because your person will come and talk to you. So those hidden things will come out of the situation, will come out in the month of March. You should work on your root chakra, solar plexus chakra, and sacral chakra. You should work on it. And for some of you might love to wear earrings, or big earrings, or something like that, hoop earrings, or earrings, or big earrings. Some of you might love to wear, if you are female watching this. You feel that nothing will come out of this situation, but that is not the whole truth. That is not the whole truth, which you will realize in month of March, and that hidden thing will come out in the month of March, and you will realize many things, and clarity you will realize. You will come out of this confusion, juggling situation, and waiting mode in the month of March. I feel like that. Work on your root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus chakra. It means work on your immune system, work on your digestive system, work on your self-confidence, and work on your stability, money situation, or home life situation. If you feel like you don't have home, you don't have stability, you don't have money, just try to come out of that thinking. Okay, I know you are facing some money trouble also, juggling in the money situation also, but just don't get into that vibration of lack. Okay, lack mentality, you don't need to get into that. Okay, and it will be resolved slowly, but it will be resolved. Okay, just come out of that lack mentality. Your money situation will be resolved. It not exactly in month of March, but it will be start happening. You'll get a lot of clarity in the month of March, because we have received the luck, abundance, money charm. So yes, money will be flowing around. Yes, definitely. If you felt some sort of big expenses happened, or money or home life or stability, careers, money situation is not good, it is going to resolve. Okay, you are very nicely balancing it, your money situation. You are, a lot of people don't even know that you are juggling in your money situation, your career situation, but you are very very nicely balancing it. I want to clap for you, I want to appreciate you, if nobody else, because you are very very well handling it. Okay, your money situation, career situation, and it will be resolved, not exactly in March month, but it is coming. It is coming, clarity, good news is coming in the month of March. You'll see some, you will see some news regarding your career. You will, feel like some of you are waiting for job call, interview call, or if you are waiting for some sort of career money matter, it is going to happen in the month of March. Yes. Yeah, so those sort of things, if you are for example, if you are waiting for interview call, job call, I guess you will get a call in the month of March, and you might join after some time, but there are chances definitely you have been selected. Those sort of call you will receive. This is the example I am giving you. So suddenly it will not resolve, but yeah, slowly you will find abundance and money, and luck is coming your way. That is what I am feeling. Currently you are feeling you are not lucky in love matter, you are not lucky in family life, you are not lucky in money matter, but don't worry, okay? Just work on your root chakra, work on your solar plexus chakra and sacral chakra. That is my advice and suggestion to you. So this is the general reading. It will not resonate with you, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Maybe for some of you some messages will resonate. So thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. You can take a private reading with me. I have mentioned my email ID and Instagram ID in the description box below. You can follow me. If you don't want to take private reading with me, then you can follow me on Divine Energy Tarot at Instagram. I have mentioned the link. You can link in the description. You can appreciate me by liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. Okay, and commenting on the video. What do you think? How you found this video? Was it resonated or not? So yeah, and yeah, what else? Nothing else. Just don't worry. Okay, just don't worry. Nobody is taking anything which is written in your destiny. So stop feeling like that, and stop feeling sad and upset. Come out of this energy. Okay, come out of this sorrow, come out of this lack and mentality. Okay, nobody has taken anything from you. Okay, if you feel like that, just come out of that. That is why I am telling you, work on your first three chakras: orange chakra, red chakra, and yellow chakra, and everything will be fine. Okay, love and light to you. Bye bye guys.